The priest said he doesn't even know whether it's the people that are alive that we're even paying this money for, or the people that have actually died. Because don't tell me why umunna, umunne, umuada, whoever will be demanding, will be extorting people that are alive. They
I begin to.
2,000 years later.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Yes, sorry you'll be hearing sounds of bed. Okay, as you guys must have seen, I got few things. I actually got some products from my trusted vendor on IG, one of my new besties on IG. Yes, I'm trying to change the routine. My skincare routine is really not been working so well, so I just wanted to change something, and so far so good. Okay, you guys might not really see it because the evening sun is directly on me, so I just love the glow. I say, why not just do a video now? Okay, there's this thing that's really been burning in my spirit. I know everybody around me knows that I detest the word befitting burial, befitting funeral, befitting whatever. Yes, I'm a Catholic, and yesterday was All Souls. November 1st is All Saints. November 2nd is All Souls. So let me just give you guys what All Souls is praying for, seeding for those that have departed from this planet Earth. All Saints, people that are categorized as saints, they are the people that we recognize on All Saints Day. Why All Souls are people we pray for, maybe your grandfather or people that are bereaved, their grandparents, their grandmom, and as the case may be. I just got an interruption, so I just have to pause here. Their souls in heaven. We easily forget the dead. Sometimes I ask myself, I don't know how in my subconsciousness, I don't know what happens to you. Now, if someone dies, you won't see this person again, really, like true, you're not going to see this person again. There's no how this person will be looking at you. Because for the past couple of months, I've been thinking of a lot. A lot has just been happening. So I've just been thinking, someone will just leave this. We'll just stay and say, hey, tomorrow I'll do this thing. Next year I'll do this thing. Like, see life there in our hand. I used to say this by God's grace, and I know when you hear somebody saying, hey, by God's grace, in your mind it feels that, hey, this person doesn't want to do this thing. But truly, it's really by God's grace. As in, like, it's not by anybody's own grace, so don't be by your own making. It's not like you're better than, I don't know how to say it, but just know that it is by God's grace. My father, you usually say, how does Chuku? Yes, Chuku tomorrow. That's how he says, like in Igbo. That's if God keeps us alive by God's grace. That's how my dad says his own. So it's really by God's grace that we will come to work, you say, hey, tomorrow I'll do this thing, like unto say no. So this befitting burial thing, let us change that narrative. Whatever you have to bury your parents, your loved ones, whoever that died, use it and bury them. The lavish tradition, the like the priest said, he doesn't even know whether it's the people that are alive that we're even paying this money for, or the people that have actually died. Because don't tell me why umunna, umunne, umuada, whoever will be demanding, will be extorting people that are alive. They do it according to maybe they feel that the pocket is large, but it doesn't make sense. Weeping this person today, what will you use that money and do tomorrow? Highest is and buy house. Me and you tomorrow by God's grace, we will still leave this earth. Whether we'll leave it at whatever age, by God's grace. Everything is by God's grace. So it is really by God's grace. We are building up properties, treasures in heaven, like I read today. Let's build up treasures where it will not make any rot. And don't build up treasures on earth where you know that termites, whatever, will come to it. Just like sometimes you leave our properties, you don't travel for a very long time. When you come back to your house, how do you see it? It's dirty. Insects, they've invaded the property. If you're not there, what do you expect? How would you look like? But if you're in heaven, how will your things look like? Every day brand new, every day. God's grace is sweet. Living in basking in God's grace, wisdom and likeness of the Lord is, I don't know. I cannot just explain how it is, the joy, the peace that surpasses human understanding that comes with this thing. I'm actually deviating to another side, like I'm preaching, but if I'm going to preach, let me preach on. So what am I saying? What is my message? Let's give our parents, our loved ones, a befitting life, not a befitting burial. Because it's only somebody that's alive that is seen. There are so many of these people. They're not able to eat the amount of money that people lavish on their burials, to buy clothes, to make hair, to do a lot of things. That's when they remember they'll cook how many bags of rice, they'll kill how many cows, goats, this, that. It doesn't make sense. If you're of that notion that you give somebody a befitting burial, change God narration now today. And give the person a befitting life. Yes, anyone you can afford, give your loved one. Because this life, you no get duplicate. You really no get duplicate. So I've already ranted a lot in this video. I know that this rant is going to be too much. So at this point, if you watched to this point, thank you so much. And if you've not watched my previous videos, what are you waiting for? Please go back, watch, like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and help this little girl grow. Help me to be able to have that zeal to invest more in this channel, to be able to buy a microphone and a lot of things. So help me as I'm bringing in something to you. Also help me, okay? Thank you guys for watching. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.